Hello, my friends, and welcome to the Simple Sober Life. I am Joshua Abel, and thank you so much for joining me here today. I know I don't post a lot of videos. In fact, it's very sporadic, and so much has been going on in my life. You know, job transitions and time constraints and gaining and losing weight and gaining it back and you know, drama and things like that. And I will get into all of that in another video. Today is a very special day, and I am super excited to share it with you. My little niece Calleigh turned 4 years old a couple of weeks ago, and as a present, I got her and the family a trip on a steam-powered engine train through the Smoky Mountains. And we have been waiting for this for weeks and weeks, and it is finally here. We are so excited to go on this journey, hopefully see some amazing nature and beauty and waterfalls and rivers and the changing of the leaves. And you know, we are just so super excited, and I wanted to make sure to take you on this journey. I think it is going to be such a cool experience, something that I've never done before, and I know not many people that I have spoken to have done before. So we are in for a treat, and I hope you really enjoy. So all aboard the Great Smoky Mountain steam-powered engine train. Cute little town. We're here in Bryson City in North Carolina in the Great Smoky Mountains, right off the Great Smoky Mountain expressway or parkway or highway or freeway or something like that. We're about ready to get on a steam-powered engine train. Ooh, and you can see it right over there. How exciting.
Get out!
I wouldn't think it would be.
So, Miss Calleigh Grace, this was for your birthday. What do you think? You pretty excited? You pretty excited? Yeah, she is. You think he'll toot his horn? You think he'll toot his horn? All aboard! Woo, woo. Caboose!
locomotive built by Vulcan Locomotive Works, number 1702. It's our one steam engine we have here on the Great Smoky Mountain Railway. Is on the head of this train. Built in 1942 for the U.S. Army for shunting and medium duty freight use during the Second World War. You get a glimpse over here, this open shed, that's where we store overnight, and then directly behind that concrete bin is the turntable where we turn procedures which occasionally do.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi. You like a train ride?
Kind of weird being here on a train, like you're always swaying back and forth, especially when you're going from car to car to like get a snack or something. It's kind of really got to have your balance. What kind you get? She got cherry. I got butter popcorn. Butter popcorn!
The cherry good?
She didn't like that one.
Okay.
Hi there, handsome.
You hold those.
Hi, handsome. Ah. Ah.
Calleigh, you should look at this pretty river. Look at it. Oh no, not even a little bit. That is not true.
My friends, how cool was that experience? How incredibly insane were those views, those rivers and the waterfalls? That water looked so clear, so clear that I literally thought I might be able to take my cup and fill it up and drink right from the river. Now, of course, I would never actually do that, but the thought did cross my mind. I wonder if it would be even possible. And, you know, unfortunately, you know, it's still a little early. It's now late October and the leaves are just now starting to change. So we didn't see, you know, that entire blanket of yellows and reds and oranges, but we did see little pops of color every once in a while. But it was still such an incredible experience. And how about that train? How about that train? Can you even fathom utilizing that source of transportation on a regular basis to go long distances, just hopping on a train in a club car or whatever and going across country in order to get anywhere? You know, before they had cars, before they had planes, you know, it was such a unique trip into history. And it was just such a cool experience. And I think Calleigh had an absolute blast. I really hope this is something that she will remember for the rest of her life. I know I will. I think Katie and Brian both will. The twins, a little young yet, but you know, when they grow up, we can say, you've been on a train. But we are so we're off the train and we're heading back home. Now, it was about a 2.5 hour journey from my house, thereabouts, maybe a little over 2 hours, somewhere in between there. But on the way home is apples. So we are stopping by Granddad's Apples in Hendersonville so that we can stock up on the best Honeycrisp apples around. You know, I went into the grocery store just a couple of days ago. I got 4 massive Honey Crisp apples, and it cost me like $13. So, getting straight from the source, straight from the tree. Well, actually, I don't think they're allowing picking right now, so it's kind of a grab and go type situation, but you don't get any fresher than this. So I am gonna score some apples. We'll probably wrap up the day with some Culvers, and then I am tired. Who knew that traveling through the Blue Ridge Mountains would be so exhausting? And I missed my weekend afternoon nap. So I'll probably just go home, maybe get a little work done on the computer, and take a chill for the rest of the night. Now, how great does that sound? Anyway, my friends, I really hope you enjoyed this experience. And until next time, cheers.